Welcome back. In today's episode, I'm showing you how to make a roasted green salsa with a kick. You don't want to miss it. Stay tuned. Welcome to Mexican Cooking Academy, where we celebrate Mexican food and culture and cuisine. I've been obsessed with Mexico and Mexican cuisine for years now, and in September 2020, I decided to pack up all my bags from California and move right down here and bring Mexican food to the rest of the world. And that's what we are doing today. Today we are making a roasted tomatillo salsa, or a green salsa. As always, you'll find this recipe and all the other ones right down in the description or on my website at MexicanCookingAcademy.com. Now this is one of those quintessential Mexican salsas. You can't go to a Mexican restaurant without encountering a green salsa. And this particular one you can whip up in less than 20 minutes and it's sure to make an impression on all your friends and all your guests. This particular one comes to us from my favorite place in all of Mexico and probably all of the world, called Oaxaca. Oaxaca is the southernmost, well, almost southernmost state in Mexico, and it is, to me, the cultural epicenter of everything that's amazing and beautiful and wonderful about Mexico. So if you haven't been to Oaxaca, you need to check it out. Before we go further, if you love Mexican food as much as I do, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and make sure to get on my mailing list. You can do that at MexicanCookingAcademy.com, my website, or you can do it through a link down below, which will take you to the same place. And that's gonna give you exclusive access to first round content, recipes, etc. So make sure to get on that. For this recipe, you're going to want to have 450 grams or 1 pound of tomatillos, or husked tomatoes. These are the green tomatoes with a shell around them. 1 serrano chile, 1/4 cup of a white onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and 1/4 cup or 10 grams of chopped cilantro. Now it is critical that you arrange these in a perfect circle, otherwise they're not gonna bake properly. Never mind, no. That's only my OCD. You do not have to do that, but I did it because it looks nice. You can just place them in any sheet and bake them all together. Place all of these in a preheated oven at its highest setting for 10 minutes. If we're gonna roast these for 10 minutes, after 10 minutes, we're going to open the oven. We're gonna add in our garlic. We always wanna add in our garlic at the very end, and we're gonna stir all the vegetables together to make sure that they are cooking and browning evenly. And we're gonna give that another 5 minutes until it's done roasting. When all the vegetables are done roasting, take them out, place everything in the blender and blend for about 20 seconds up to 30 seconds to make sure it's all evenly and consistent. Once complete, place all your roasted vegetables into a blender. Add to that the cilantro, add in 2 tablespoons of water, and also make sure to add some salt. Blend all these ingredients together until they are thoroughly blended and you are done. This salsa is gonna keep for about 1 week, fresh in your fridge, and it's a pretty versatile salsa that you can use on anything. I suggest you give this recipe a try. I served this recipe to my Mexican friends and they said that so far this is one of their favorite salsas that I've made. It is, according to them, the most authentic Mexican salsa, along with the roasted chipotle chili salsa that I posted a week before. And if you haven't seen that, definitely check that out. It's a really good recipe and a lot less spicy than this one. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Before you go, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe button, and get on my mailing list. It's free, doesn't cost you anything, and you'll get first look at all my content and new recipes that I'm developing. As always, you'll find this recipe and all the other recipes down below in the description. If you have any comments, questions, concerns, or need troubleshooting help with this recipe, let me know down in the comments. I get back to everybody. And that's all I got for you today. Until next time, live long and prosper.